Hi everyone, this is Kirsty from Playing the Park. Today I've got my lovely helper Brooke and we're going to make
Easter bunny mask.
yes, an Easter bunny mask. What do we have here, Brooke?
So we got a plate
Which we have cut the middle out of.
and we got some pink inside of the bunny ears
Two of those
and some white ears.
and two white ears we've cut out.
And we
And
got a pop stick
oh, you've remembered what it's called.
and some paper of whiskers.
Yes, some whiskers. We've got 6 whiskers, haven't we?
Mhm.
Okay, what are we going to do first?
The pop stick.
The pop stick. So we'll turn over our paper plate and we're going to tape this one on the bottom. Is that tape being a little bit tricky?
Mhm.
Yeah. Okay, one piece of tape on the bottom. There we go, that is the base of our mask. Now we're going to turn it over and Brooke, I'm going to get you to put some glue on the bottom of the ears. That's good. I'm going to turn it over and stick it on here. Now this glue isn't super strong, so I'm going to get a little bit of tape. Do you want me to do that one? I'll do one, you can get the other one off. And we're going to tape it on the bottom of our ear and do it underneath onto the plate. And we'll do the same with this one. Great, Brooke. Thank you. Now we're going to take our 2 pink ears and put some glue on those as well. So all over these ones. We're going to turn it over and stick it on top of the white ear. This is the middle of the bunny ear. I'll stick one on. And stick the other one on. Good job. Then we need to get our whiskers. Now we have to put half on each side. So we've got 6. How many are we going to put on this side?
3.
3. Because 3 and 3 make
6.
That's right. That's 1. She's just putting a little dob on the end. 2. This is stripy, a little bit like your Easter eggs that you made, Brooke. More stripes. 3 stripes. If you want to get really tricky, you can get a pencil and you can curl the end of the whiskers if you want to. We're just sticking with straight stripes today. Might put this one down here a little bit to make it more even. And that one down here as well. That's great, Brooke. Okay. Can you pick it up and show everyone your bunny mask? Oh, his ear's falling off. Oops, we better put some more tape on. We'll turn it over and we'll put some tape up the top. Good job. When you're using tape, if you pull it a little bit to the side, diagonally, it comes off much easier. Okay, I think that will work. What do you think? Should we have another try? Oh, there's your bunny mask. That's so cute. Good job, Brooke. You can run around and play with that for the rest of the day.
Bye everyone.
Hope you enjoyed our bunny mask. Bye.